Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today, we're digging into something we all kind of know about, but maybe not the why behind it. The benefits of regular exercise.
That's right.
You've given us some great source material, really rich stuff. Our mission, to cut through the usual advice and pull out those, impactful insights, the ones that really show why moving is so vital.
Absolutely.
We'll focus on how it helps prevent diseases, how it seriously impacts your mood and mental health, and, boosts your energy levels.
Okay.
Let's unpack this.
Well, what's really fascinating and what these sources highlight so well is how it's all connected. These benefits, they aren't separate things.
Like a feedback loop.
Exactly. A powerful feedback loop. The material doesn't just say what happens. It gets into the nitty-gritty, the biology. Like, we know exercise helps prevent disease, right?
That's the headlines.
But the research you shared, it goes deeper. It talks about specific activities, jogging, swimming, even yoga, and how they fight things like obesity, heart disease, type 2 diabetes. And it's not just about burning calories or weight control. It's about improving insulin sensitivity, how well your cells actually use glucose.
So more efficient fuel use at the cellular level.
Precisely. And also endothelial function.
Yeah.
That's about keeping your arteries healthy and flexible, better circulation. It's quite detailed.
That's where it gets really interesting, isn't it? It's not just the surface stuff. It's optimizing the body's systems from the inside out.
Yes.
But what about the mental side? People usually just say endorphins, that quick rush.
Yeah.
Do these sources show something more fundamental happening?
Oh, definitely. Endorphins give you that immediate lift, the runner's high, sure. But the sources point to something much more profound for long-term mental well-being.
Okay, like what?
It details how consistent activity, especially aerobic stuff, boosts something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor.
BDNF sounds important.
It really is. Think of it like a fertilizer for your brain cells. It helps grow new neurons, neurogenesis.
Wow, actual new brain cells.
Yes, especially in areas like the hippocampus. Crucial for memory, yes, but also for regulating mood.
Yeah.
So it's not just feeling happy temporarily.
Right.
It's about building real neurological resilience, making your brain structurally better at handling stress, reducing risks for things like anxiety, depression.
So a biological upgrade for your brain. Building mental strength, not just a quick fix.
You got it.
And, it always seems counterintuitive, but the more I exercise, the more energy I have. It feels like a paradox. So does research explain that?
It does, yeah. And it makes perfect sense when you look at the cellular level again.
Yeah.
Regular exercise basically supercharges your mitochondria. Those are the tiny power plants inside your cells.
The energy factories.
Exactly. They become more numerous, and they get way more efficient at turning food and oxygen into energy your body can actually use.
I see. So better energy production.
Right. Which means daily tasks feel easier, your overall endurance goes up, you feel less wiped out because your whole system is just, running better.
Yeah.
More efficiently.
Less fatigue, more vitality. Makes sense.
So if we zoom out, look at the big picture from these sources. The message is crystal clear. Regular physical activity. It's not just optional, it's fundamental, foundational for overall health.
Holistic well-being, really.
Totally. Crucial for preventing those big diseases, obesity, heart issues, diabetes, by fine-tuning things like insulin sensitivity, keeping arteries healthy.
And the mental boost through BDNF, neurogenesis.
Yes, building that long-term stress resilience. And finally, boosting energy by optimizing those mitochondria, making your body work smarter, not just harder.
So what does this all mean for you listening? I think our dive into this material really shows it, doesn't it? The benefits go way beyond just looking better.
They really do.
They impact your physical health deeply, your mental clarity, your basic energy levels. It's transformative stuff.
Which brings up, an important question to ponder. We know our bodies are built to move. We see these profound interconnected benefits, cell health, brain growth, energy.
Yeah.
So, knowing all this, what's maybe one small thing? One consistent physical activity you could weave into your week, starting, say, today or tomorrow, to begin tapping into these benefits. Not just for now, but for a healthier, more vibrant future.
That's a really powerful thought to leave with. Thank you for exploring this vital topic with us today.